Hey guys, today we are going to be replacing the orange side reflector with a black reflector on my F80 M3. So first we're going to go on ahead, we're going to turn the wheel to the side that we're going to be working on. On this case it's going to be the right side. And we're going to take off these two bolts. There's actually three, there's one closer to the fender up top. Alrighty, so here you want to use your pry tool and pry out the plastic liner, because eventually you're going to need to be able to get to the back of that side reflector. And here I'm using my steamer to heat up the adhesive to the reflector. So here I'm just going over it and trying to get it hot, not trying to stay in one place. Gonna wipe off the water here and just kind of get a feel for the temperature of the bumper itself, see how warm it is. So I feel that it's not too warm, and I'm going to keep heating it up. And try not to stay in like one spot if you're using a heat gun, or if you're using a steamer or a hair blow dryer or something like that, just keep it moving, because you don't want to create bubbles or in the paint or in the clear coat or anything like that. Give it another wipe down. Get a feel for it again. Now it's starting to get a little bit softer. So as you can see, the adhesive was all loose. Now we're just going to stick our hand as far as we can in the back and try to pull it out. Here you can see the back side. And I try to be really careful. I try to avoid spraying some of that, the steamer on those sensors in that camera. And here we're just gonna take off the glue, or take off the, adhesive to that tape so we could apply it onto the reflector. There's one side done. It looks really good. It really changed up the front end of this vehicle here, so we're gonna knock out the other side. Alright guys, so we did the other side. Check that out. It really changes the look, that side reflector. Look at that, with the wheels and that little M3 emblem right there on the side that's black. So sick. Especially with the black kidney grills too. The yellow and the black looks really, really good. So I'll be doing some more videos as I do more modifications to the vehicle. So there you are. That's how you replace your reflectors. Also, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We're going to be doing a lot more things to this vehicle here pretty soon. We're going to do the outside first, do some of the appearance, then we're going to move over to the performance side. Just the way I'm deciding to go for now. Thanks for watching.